So this year's theme for the ITWeb Summit is enabling a data-driven business in a post-pandemic world. And in a nutshell, that's what we at ITWeb do. We solve business problems with data solutions. Our decision to be a sponsor for this event was born from our collective vision in enabling businesses to evolve into data-driven organizations. At ITWeb, we help our clients bridge the old and emerging data walls to create an ecosystem that enables them to use data to make informed decisions about their business and evolve into a data-driven organization. So we could never have imagined the effect COVID-19 has had on everything that we used to consider normal. The COVID-19 pandemic has been unprecedented in terms of its impact on people and on business. One such impact that I think deserves special mention is the pandemic-induced challenges of talent attraction and retention, what has been termed the Great Resignation. This will certainly elevate people as a top priority in any business strategy today. Exciting prospects for the future is the rise of augmented intelligence. Topical and trending at the moment, it brings together the best capabilities of humans and technology, giving businesses the ability to improve the efficiency and performance of their workforce. So Gartner predicted that by 2023, 40% of business operations teams in large enterprises will use AI augmented automation, resulting in a higher productivity. So naturally, the employees would need to be skilled in data science and analytics, or at the very least get the opportunity to upskill in the latest AI and ML technologies to be able to get those optimal results from the systems. Another exciting prospect is certainly that by embedding a data-driven culture throughout your organization, you free up your data team to work on complex challenges, such as using advanced machine learning analysis, thereby aiding your organization's transformation journey as well. Building a data-driven culture will help your business succeed in that age of digital transformation. The emergence of data analytics as an omnipresent reality of the modern organizational life means that a healthy data culture is becoming increasingly important. You should attend this conference because it provides a unique convergence of network learning and fun. There's nothing like being in a room of like-minded people. So come and gain some confidence in your abilities to execute on your data-driven strategies and bring fresh ideas back to your organizations.